Hello everyone, this is Ida. Many customers asked me how to change the pager's working mode. Today I will show you. First, we need to confirm the pager is in working condition. The lights flash, it means that the pager is in working condition now. And I have programmed the pager to number 9. I will call the pagers. Press number 9 and press the key call. You can see that there are lights, vibration, and beep. If you want to change the mode, just need to press the key. There are a mode on this key, and I will press the key. Here sound of beep. It means that we have changed the pager in the working mode to only beep with flash. I will press the 9 and call. Just beep, no vibration. And if you want to change it to vibration only, you need to press the key. You hear a vibration, no beep. And I will press the on vibration, no beep now. It is very easy to change the mode. Just need to press the key and change the types that you need. Did you know how to change it? If still not, you can contact me on the website Retekess. Here waiting for you. Bye.